So, columns 1 and 2 of the clips. Under this little lip right here, there's threads. The threads have to go towards the switch and bear down and tighten. So you're going to put one there and one there. Threads always go towards the switch. The others. These are dead metal. This is the only saber type that incorporates organic colors. This band, this skin leather, will only be more supple than metal. With beautiful wood inlay pieces. Of course, the Lightsaber, which makes the hilt by itself an effective blade. Because this uses organics, the force energy is very efficient in the channel.
Something on the chamber, friend. You can choose an emitter from column 3 for the top.
Is this supposed to tighten or not?
Yes, push and turn. Other way, righty tighty. Friend chamber. Thank you.
Because I'm doing that and it's not tight.
She's an emitter from column 3 for the top. And then a pommel cap from column 4 for the bottom.
I'll do a final inspection for you.
I'll do the final check for you.
Switch is working, so
your activation switch is here. Wait for Kipping to say activate and then slide your switch, okay?
I think you'll find fascinating. Apparently, in the heat of battle, some Jedi will swap the saber out of their dominant hand or their fighting hand to their non-dominant hand. This is frees the dominant hand to wield the force and knock the opponent off balance. A surprise split-second advantage. Go ahead, pick it up with your off hand, the hand you don't normally use. Now imagine yourself in the heat of combat. Could you wield the saber with that arm just long enough for a force push that would save your life? Makes the weapon very effective bludgeon all on its own, even without being retinue. Friends, it's now time for final activation. This could get a little tricky, so I'm going to ask you to please replace the hilts on the saddles in front of you and take one step back from the workbench. If you chose a red kyber crystal, take 2 steps back from the workbench. My fellow gatherers are now going to muffle these hilts by inserting them into a crystal stabilization chamber. The only purpose of this equipment is to keep us safe in case one of these explodes. But don't worry, these candles you see along the wall will be our backup lighting system if anything goes horribly wrong.
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
By the Maker, Master Yoda. It is indeed time. Time for you to form the final bond with your lightsaber. Friends, on my command, you will step to the table, lightly place your hand on the hilt, and then, on my signal, we will all activate our lightsabers together. So, are you ready? Then step forward, everyone. Lightly place your hand on the hilt. Oh, and one more thing. Good luck. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, you may deactivate and lower your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Oh, thank you, Master Yoda. Master Yoda? Friends, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, we are pleased to offer you a saber sheath as you depart. Although our time is at an end, your journey is just beginning. It's time to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, young hero, maybe next time I'll be telling your story in this little shop at the end of the world. Raise your sabers all and activate. To the spire! The door's open. May the spires keep you. Farewell.
Try to buy the black one if you have to buy a red one and maybe it's black and maybe that's one.
You go to Olga's cantina, please tell Olga I will have her credits by the end of the cycle.
Doesn't your mom like accidentally get
Yeah, it's cool.